Okay guys, just checking in with you. This install is taking a little longer than I expected. You will probably sacrifice maybe about 2 hours total. What it's doing now is that it's installing all of the updates and all the repositories needed to make sure that the full install will run as smooth as possible. So during these two installations, you probably see the screen uh, kind of flying through here with a lot of updates. During this time, you can probably sit back or grab a Pepsi or just check on everyone every so often, maybe within 20 to 30 minutes at a time, because this process might take a little bit of time. Okay guys, a few minutes has passed, roughly about 20 minutes may have passed by now. All of the updates has been completed. Well, I'm sorry, a few more updates are still in due. A few questions that it asks you throughout the process is to let you know that it's not hung up or it's still processing. And it also tells you what packages are being installed that are not part of the update for the actual server. Like a few minutes ago, it asked me about updating Festival, which is a text-to-speech option on the box. So now what it's doing is installing the interfaces, and also it might restart as well. But all of that is done on an automated process, so you don't really have to worry about the box after a few minutes. Okay guys, we are at the stage of this build where we selected earlier of using menu config, or we can configure, modify the Asterisk service or Asterisk program as we desire. And this is at the config here where it asks us to continue, so we can actually modify the Asterisk build if we need to. So we're going to click continue. And what this menu config will be doing is that it will be placing out different modules and also different add-ons that you can add to Asterisk as it compiles and creates it. Pretty much compiles and finish installing. So what we're doing now, we're waiting for the box to finish creating the menu select, so we can go in there and modify or add different modules as it builds. Okay, now from this menu here, you can actually choose or change many different options on how you want the Asterisk server to build. I would recommend leaving things where it is, but for you tech savvy people out there, you can modify a few things to where you want it, where you configure it where you want it. For an example, you can also add things like Jabber or H323 or Google Talk. There's a lot of things you can actually add on the actual Asterisk core alone. Especially different codecs like we see here. You can terminate GSM, ULAW, ALAW, do different types of formats, translations. But for this build here, we're going to leave everything here. In case, well, we're going to leave everything here since nothing really needs to change. Just double checking here. Yeah, so there's nothing we really need to change, so we can just tab over, save, and exit. Okay, folks, we have reached the end of our build. It took a while that time. Most of it was automated. It's just a matter of watching the screen just to make sure it asks me any questions. Right now, it's doing is rebooting after install pretty much every repository that was needed. So it's doing a restart now. So after restart, I'm expecting to get a command prompt where the device is ready to go. As you can see, it was a virtual box here, and this is what it will look like if it restarts on a normal screen. For this build, it took a lot longer to build. From this version here, they put more information, more modules inside of the actual platform. We put the CD in. They know a lot. They've seen a lot of bugs, a lot of exploits over the years of using FreePBX and the Flash. I'm sorry, PBX and the Flash. Excuse me. So most of the build took a little longer than usual, but they pretty much installing a lot of the modules to help compensate or help fix a lot of the ongoing bugs that might have happened from other people, from other hacks. But now this build here is more secure than before, and overall they constantly update the software, so be sure to update your box as much as possible. So this is the screen here. We're actually done with the actual physical install of the box. The next video would be how to actually install soft phones or hard for IP phones or IVRs through the web interface. That will be on the next video, as well as a quick video after that regarding what type of soft phone that you can use, and also what type of hard IP phone that will work as well. So friends, this is the last part of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys understand. Feel free to like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Also send us an email at support@ipcomms.net. Visit our website at www.ipcomms.net for any type of technical issues or questions or just natural inquiries. And that is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you later.